Hey, good afternoon. This is Eric Chladny with Epiphany Trading doing the Thursday, July 23rd market wrap-up. It's another pretty amazing day. To the upside, the Dow finished at 90.69, up 188 points. The Nasdaq was at 1973, up 47. Much of the gains came the first half of the day, and then we just leveled off from there, but still very, very impressive performance. The trend shifted entirely after hours as Microsoft had horrible earnings guidance and terrible revenue miss. Amazon also, the guidance was in line, very conservative guidance. It was noticeable that Jeff Bezos was not even on the conference call. Blowing off your own conference call, it's really not a good thing. So looking at it tomorrow, we were going to open way, way, way down. It's another day to focus on earnings. A few things to look at for the morning on the earnings front: Netflix, WFR, Computer Associates, Chubb CB, ALGN, BUCY, SWI, and Solar Power. On the negative side, Nucor and Palm were mentioned negatively on Mad Money. The aforementioned Amazon and Microsoft. Amex had poor earnings. Broadcom had poor earnings. Baidu had lukewarm guidance. B&I had poor earnings, as did Capital One, DEC, Juniper, Clack, Cake, Rambus, Riverbed, NTCT, and INFA. So with that, Brendan Byrne, the president of Epiphany, has come into the background here and has something he wants to ask.
Real quick, Eric. I was just on text chat with somebody from a website that I've been visiting quite frequently. It's WallStreetOasis.com. I like it. I like the format, the layout, etc. And we were just talking about what we could possibly do together. And he's looking for someone who, a trader that he can build a show around. And I was like, well, my partner is like the best trader I've ever seen in my entire life. I've told you before, I have guys who make $100,000 in a month, $60,000 in a day. And if you have a $100,000 day, which I've seen, and you follow it up with two $60,000 losers, where does it get you? Negative. Trading for a living, a profession, and a lifestyle is not something people can do very easily. People think that they come and push buttons is BS. So I told them, listen, my partner, like, numbers don't lie. Like, people can only see the facts, the track record. I told him, without discussing actual numbers, because it's no one's business, really, you make money, 20 days out of the month?
Yeah, I've had one losing day this month, which was actually yesterday. I lost $200-something yesterday.
You lost $200
Very, very small, and I
Meanwhile,
made it up more than tenfold today, thankfully.
So very nice. So my point is, so that's 20 days out of the month, on average. Haven't had a losing month since when?
Since I've exclusively day traded, I've never had a losing month.
Okay.
I co-managed a hedge fund, and in the beginning
we
had a couple
lost money sometimes, but never as trading your own account.
I began full-time trading in '96. I began day trading for myself exclusively in 2000. I've knock on whatever's right in front of me. I've never had a losing month.
Okay, so you know how to trade?
Hopefully.
Yeah. And the thing is, Eric's been trading with me for about 4 years now. And it just made sense to make him a partner. I've never seen anyone who trades like this before. And I've had about 1,500 people who've traded my capital. And what it comes down to is, it is what it is. It's like proof's in the pudding. I don't think that there's anybody that I've ever met who trades like you and puts in the work. We're here, it's, almost 7 o'clock at night?
And I was here at 5 o'clock this morning.
It's almost 7 o'clock at night, and we're busting our asses trying to make money. And we've seen people just in this office who come in, want to joke around, whatever. We tune them out. We get them out of our life. It's about sticking to the model, okay? We don't try to reinvent the wheel. We don't try to justify trades. We don't do anything other than working off of our watch list, trading things on the Epiphany method, the 7-star system, and
which is found at epiphanymethod.com.
Okay, epiphanymethod.com. Now it's an easy thing. There's 7 criteria of which we need to do a trade. If you have one of them, it's a no-do. Okay, but if you have 7, it's do with size, and it's easier to practice what you it's harder to practice what you preach. It's easier to say what you should do.
Yeah, I know what
you know what I'm trying to say. And I deviate from it. Eric's the most disciplined at this game.
Well, the whole thing is, and I think Brendan will vouch, I try to preach what I practice.
Yes.
Literally. Instead of me practicing what I preach. I mean, I preach what I practice. Literally. I'm on here all day long, and I joke around. I'm the most annoying person here. Most annoying person there is, and I know it. But it's designed to help people not to lose.
Yeah.
And then, not only that, but to help everyone to win.
So, the bottom line here is that Eric is a unique individual, and we have a great thing going.
Yep.
14 years without a down month, 20 days out of the month, and he's not the biggest trader, okay? But I've seen him be the most consistently profitable trader, and that's what we're here for: consistency.
Well, that and the paycheck.
No, but,
I know.
But without consistency,
you won't have the paycheck.
It's like having that bubble just pop,
yeah.
or just have your pockets like rabbit ears.
Yep.
No good. So that's that. I just wanted to bring it up, discuss the track record and the model that we're going off of, and I've seen people come and go, and
this week we've seen people come and go.
Yeah,
literally.
Yeah,
we've had a few new people in here and a few people who are not here anymore.
Yeah, well,
because they did not follow the discipline.
Yeah, and it's insanity doing things over and over and expecting different results. Yeah. And if you just give things a shot or play, it's give it up. We're here. This is a job, and we put in the time. And it's not just somewhere where you come and let me scrape up a few $100 or a few $1,000. It's work, and the life of a trader, okay, doesn't mean that you're unemployed. You just work for yourself, and that's it. I just want to touch base on that. Okay. And
we should wrap it up so we can upload the video. Otherwise, it's going to be too long to upload it.
Okay, good. I'm going to go sit back down at my desk. I got another hour or two of work, and I don't want to hear Eric complaining about how he's got to get home.
All right. I wish everyone out there a very, very good night and good luck trading tomorrow.